Welcome to Best 5 Picks. The Best Pony Beads Christmas Colors is probably one of the most versatile and festive craft supplies you can get your hands on, especially when the holiday season rolls around, offering a vibrant palette of reds, greens, whites, and golds that are perfect for creating dazzling decorations, personalized gifts, and unique jewelry that captures the spirit of Christmas. These small, colorful beads are a crafter's dream, allowing for endless creativity in projects ranging from simple stringing to intricate bead weaving, making them an essential addition to any holiday crafting stash for DIY enthusiasts of all skill levels looking to add a personal touch to their festive celebrations. Number 5. 2600 plus PCS 18 Color Rainbow Pony Beads Kit. Spark your imagination with over 2,600 vibrant rainbow beads. This set is perfect for inspiring creativity and developing practical skills. Create beautiful necklaces, bracelets, keychains, and more with 18 dazzling colors. Let your imagination run wild with all the possibilities. This comprehensive kit includes over 2,600 beads in 18 colors and 3 rolls of elastic string. Everything is neatly organized in a clear storage box for your convenience. Craft with confidence using our durable, non-toxic beads. They have a smooth surface, ensuring safety during use, but please note they contain small parts. Share the joy of crafting with a friend or family member. It's an ideal way to spend a memorable afternoon creating together. We are committed to providing you with a remarkable shopping experience. Please reach out if you have any issues with our product. What we like. This kit offers a massive quantity of beads in a wide spectrum of colors, perfect for extensive crafting projects. If you're looking to create dozens of friendship bracelets or need a versatile supply for various jewelry and craft endeavors, this is an excellent choice. It's ideal for group activities or anyone who loves having a vast selection to work with. What people say. With the wide variety of colors, this set each color comes with plenty of beads. Perfect for crafting and keychain making. Colors are great, beads hold up, case holds up with being banged around by my kiddo. Number 4. 500 PCS Acrylic 6-Color Mix 13mm Star Pony Beads. Get ready to unleash your creativity with these colorful star beads. You'll receive 500 pieces in a dazzling mix of 6 vibrant colors, perfect for any DIY project. Each bead measures 13mm in diameter with a 3mm hole, making them the ideal size for a wide range of jewelry and craft applications. Crafted from durable plastic, these beads are built to last. They are waterproof, color-fast, and feature a smooth, shiny finish for a premium look. These beads are perfect for parents and teachers to use in educational activities. They help children develop fine motor skills, learn color sorting, and boost their imagination. With a convenient center hole, these beads are perfect for making bracelets, necklaces, keychains, and more. They encourage individuality and self-expression through crafting. These versatile beads are a fantastic gift idea for birthdays or holidays. Use them for jewelry making, beading, sewing, or any craft project that sparks your inspiration. What we like. These star-shaped beads bring a unique and festive flair to any project. If you're aiming for a special touch for birthday gifts, Christmas, or Valentine's Day, or if you want to add a whimsical element to your jewelry, these are perfect. They are especially suitable for creating eye-catching earrings and charms. What people say. The beads are a good size for crafting and have a nice variety of colors. These beads are perfect for making bracelets and other jewelry. They are easy to work with and the colors are vibrant. The quality of the beads is excellent. They are smooth and uniform in size, making them ideal for any craft project. Number 3. WILLBOND 1200 PCS Christmas Pony Beads. Get a generous pack of 1,200 beads, perfect for all your handmade projects. Please note the size is 8mm and keep away from small children due to choking hazard. These beads are perfect for creating bracelets, necklaces, keychains, and even party decorations. They make wonderful, eye-catching gifts for loved ones. Featuring classic Christmas colors like green, red, silver, and gold, these beads will add a joyful festival atmosphere to your creations. Crafted from acrylic, these beads are smooth, lightweight, and won't easily break or fade. Their symmetrical shape and shiny luster make them ideal for any handicraft. Enjoy some relaxing DIY time with family and friends using these colorful beads. It's a great way to learn from each other, add fun to daily life, and strengthen relationships. What we like. Featuring classic Christmas colors like red, green, silver, and gold, these beads are designed to bring holiday cheer. If you're planning Christmas-themed crafts, party decorations, or want to make festive jewelry, this set is ideal. It's perfect for creating a joyful and seasonal atmosphere during the holidays. What people say. The shiny beads were a hit. Purchased these for my kids' classroom Christmas project. Number 2. Gxueshan 1000 PCS Red Acrylic Pony Beads. Introducing our pack of 1000 vibrant red acrylic beads. These are perfect for adding a pop of color to any project you have in mind. Each bead is 6 by 9 mm with a 4 mm hole, making them easy to thread. Crafted from high-quality acrylic, they are durable, fade-resistant, and beautifully lustrous. Unleash your creativity with these versatile beads. They are ideal for making unique necklaces, bracelets, keychains, and even decorating hair accessories. These beads are not just for crafts, they are a fantastic learning tool. Kids can develop their creativity, fine motor skills, and learn about colors and counting through fun DIY activities. Create meaningful friendship bracelets, stylish candy bracelets, or any jewelry that expresses your unique style. They make wonderful gifts for birthdays and holidays too. Made from waterproof and drop-resistant acrylic, these beads are built to last. Use them in classrooms, at home, or during community activities for long-lasting fun. What we like. This bulk pack provides a generous amount of vibrant red beads, perfect for specific color-themed projects. If you need a consistent, bold color for making numerous friendship bracelets, customizing pens, or creating striking jewelry, this is a great option. It's ideal for those who love a strong, unified color statement in their crafts. What people say. The beads are a good size for crafting and the colors are vibrant and festive, perfect for Christmas projects. They are easy to string and hold their shape well, making them ideal for jewelry making and other DIY crafts. The assortment of colors is great, offering a good variety for creating unique and eye-catching designs. Number 1. Gxueshan Acrylic Black Pony Beads. Get a pack of 1000 black pony beads, perfect for all your crafting needs. These beads are ready to bring your creative ideas to life. Crafted from high-quality acrylic, these 6 by 9 mm barrel-shaped beads are durable and vibrant. They feature a 4 mm hole, making them easy to thread for any project. Unleash your creativity with these versatile beads. They are ideal for making unique necklaces, bracelets, earrings, keychains, and more. These beads are not just for jewelry, they're a fantastic tool for learning and fun. Use them for color sorting, counting, and developing hands-on skills. Whether you're making friendship bracelets, hair accessories, or decorative items, these beads are your go-to choice. They are waterproof and drop-resistant for lasting creations. Looking for a thoughtful gift? These beads make a wonderful present for birthdays or holidays, inspiring creativity in friends and family. What we like. With a large quantity of classic black beads, this set offers versatility for a multitude of designs. If you're looking for a foundational color that pairs well with anything, or if you want to create elegant, minimalist jewelry, these are a fantastic choice. They are perfect for adding a sophisticated touch to bracelets, earrings, and hair accessories. What people say. The color is bright, clear, and consistent, and the holes are the perfect size for stretchy string and other types of cord I use for candy making. There are a lot of beads in each pack, much more than I expected, which is perfect when you need to make multiple cuffs or larger designs. They work well with other brands of beads that I have and are great for candy and other bead weaving. The color is consistent as well. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.